Hello everyone. Welcome to Vienna, Austria. Vienna is the national capital, largest city, and one of 9 states of Austria. Vienna is being known as the city of music due to its musical legacy. You have to come to enjoy waltz music to the concert. It will be an incredible experience of your life. Vienna is also said to be the city of dreams. Vienna is known for its high quality of life. When you are in Vienna, stop in Stephanplatz. You can find everything there. The Stephanplatz is a square at the geographical center of Vienna. Well, hope you enjoy a quick view of Vienna, Austria. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!